Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the display. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system icons, and as you can see on the third position we've got battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon, which is quite interesting. We can also turn off, totally disable the battery icon just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But let me turn it on, and in order to show the battery percentage, just tap on this marking area, and as you can see it immediately appears next to the battery icon. We've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.